What about here? Here? What about here? Here?
Launch initiated.
Stake Super Earth's claim, Helldiver. Make the Ministry of Expansion proud.
Calling down a vehicle. Calling down a sentry.
Sending down sentry.
Tagging map. North. Far. Supplies.
Calling down. Affirmative. What? Mark the location. Walk. Northeast.
Found something! Rare sample acquired.
Objective critical stratagem available. Objective critical stratagem no longer available. Allied destroyer joining squadron, deploying Helldiver to
Calling
combat
down
zone.
objective equipment.
Hello, team.
Requesting advanced weaponry! Engaging terminal. Calling down a support weapon. Requesting advanced weaponry! Requesting air support! Guard tunnel breach!
Permanent hive structure destroyed.
Good job.
Calling down a sentry! Dropping a pin.
Engaging
Northwest.
terminal.
100 meters. Standing in!
There's a
engaged.
commando and some
Supply beacon.
napalm if you want to pick it
Never
up.
mind. I got the terminal.
One step closer to mission completion.
Marking location. Cancel that. Vehicle. New mag. Supplies.
Go ahead. Good.
Requesting air support. Requesting orbital.
Requesting air support.
Affirmative.
Oh, he lost already. He's dead. Yeah, because of triple eagle. That was really good. Yeah, insta kill.
Outpost destroyed.
Support weapon.
Jeep is busted. Let's walk on foot.
Calling down a support weapon.
Requesting sentry. I'm out.
Requesting air support.
Reloading. Sending in an eagle.
Permanent hive structure destroyed.
Calling in reinforcements.
Moving up to next seismic.
Calling down supplies.
Sending down equipment package.
Southeast, 100 feet.
Sub-objective nearby.
Sending in an eagle.
One light for Super Earth. Supplies.
Objective equipment.
Mag's empty.
Sending in an eagle.
Oh,
Reinforcing.
Requesting air support. Heavy. North, 50 meters.
we could totally kill it, I think.
Calling down a support weapon. Requesting advanced weaponry.
Say hello to democracy. New mag. vehicle! Calling down a sentry! Tagging map, southeast, far.
50 meters. I'll take it. Tap back inbound.
I'm going underground. I'm good. Let's go for.
Found something!
Thank you.
Mission at 30 minutes remaining.
Bus tunnel breach. Orbital inbound. Calling down fortifications.
Objective critical stratagem
Requesting
available.
objective equipment. Tagging location. Throwing supply beacon!
Objective critical stratagem no longer available.
Calling down a support weapon. Marking location for mine.
An eagle.
I got the terminal. Supplies. Injury. What injury? Engaging terminal.
Requesting air support.
Package acquired!
I got the terminal.
Sending in an eagle.
Bug tunnel breach.
Requesting air support. How do you like the taste of freedom?
Engaging terminal.
Dropping package!
Bug tunnel breach.
Enemy elite. East, 100 meters.
Dropping package!
Affirmative.
I got the terminal.
Another step towards galactic liberation. You may extract when
Dropping a pin.
ready.
Southwest. Far.
There's a stalker lair that I want to destroy. Huh? Maybe do the other stalker lairs in the other cave. I don't know. They must somewhere. No. Below the red zone, my green mark.
Package acquired!
acquired.
Extraction is available.
Tagging map, northwest, 100 meters.
Bug hive we don't need to do. It's not gonna add anything. It's just where I picked up the package.
Dropping
That
a
green
pin,
mark.
northwest, 200 meters.
Yeah, green mark.
Helldiver, you are moving outside the mission area.
Bit more to the right. No, it's good, it's good, it's good. Keep going and then to the right, Yeah, there you go.
Tagging location. Supplies, northwest. Supplies, tagging location. Cancel that.
And around the green there's the stalker map.
Enemy tactical asset within range.
Calling in reinforcements. Bug tunnel breach.
That's okay. The arc.
Tagging them. West, 50 meters.
Okay, now we can leave.
Calling down supplies. Requesting sentry.
Dropping package.
Mag's empty. Supplies. Vehicle. Package acquired.
Fortification.
Have a taste of democracy.
Yes, there is, but will we need it?
Tagging map.
It's always in the mega. It's always in the mega nest somewhere here.
200 meters.
Yeah, green mark.
Northwest, 200 meters.
Now look for a glow somewhere here. There should be a glow to the right.
Tagging them. North, 100 meters.
There. I got it.
Rare sample
Package
collected.
acquired. Rare sample acquired.
Tagging map. North, 100 meters.
Yeah.
Dropping a pin. North, far.
Tagging map.
Nope. Now we can leave.
Dropping a pin. North. Far. Support weapon.
Yeah. Orange marker.
Mission at 20 minutes remaining.
Yeehaw! When you do this planet with these missions, the super credit amount is insane. Yeah, it's about.
Dropping package. Package acquired. Helldive.
It's okay, we have arrived.
Reloading.
Thank you. Sending in an eagle. Dropping package. Heavy map. Southwest. 300 meters.
Calling down a support weapon.
Extraction request confirmed. Shuttle inbound.
Package acquired. Weaponry.
Dropping a pin.
Requesting assistance. Calling down a sentry.
Sending down sentry.
Bag's empty.
Dropping item. Requesting fortification.
New mag.
AT-AT minus 1 minute 30 seconds.
I love the C4. The C4 is so fucking cool. It reminds me of Half-Life 1. Yeah, it's awesome. So good. So satisfying.
Sending in an eagle.
Oh, sorry, W3. Ah, all good.
Positive west.
ETA T-minus 1 minute.
Sending in an eagle.
What is he, immortal? That wild type. Jesus Christ.
ETA T-minus 30 seconds.
Northeast. 300 meters.
Requesting orbital.
ETA T-minus 20 seconds.
No. I mean,
ETA T-minus 10 seconds.
I think Rupture Strain is the Rupture Strain or the Burrow Strain. Those two are the strongest. Because it's just, they're just too annoying. Like, you have to interrupt your fighting, if that makes sense.
I'm sorry.
Calling down a support weapon. Requesting advanced weaponry. Sending in an eagle. Package acquired.
Pelican 1 preparing to depart. Shuttle launch in 20 seconds.
Reinforcement budget depleted.
Extraction complete. Pelican 1
That
beginning ascent.
high float kill was incredible.
Swarm intelligence. Ha! They stood no chance against your tactical excellence.